Students, we have completed our first chapter. Now it's a time of doing question answers. Okay? So today we will do the question answers of chapter 1. So the question answers are given on your page number 9. We will start it. Okay? Now tell me what is the first question? Why do the organisms need to take food? It means what? कि ऑर्गेनिजम्स को फूड की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? What is the answer? The answer is, you know very well, we have to why we need food? Because we have to do the different functions of our body. We have to do the different functions of our body. So the answer is given. See, first point is main function of food is to help in ग्रोथ. सबसे पहले तो हमें फूड क्या करता है? अपनी बॉडी के ग्रोथ के लिए हेल्प करता है. देन सेकेंड पॉइंट इज इट प्रोवाइड्स एनर्जी फॉर डूइंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स लाइक we do the different things, running, walking, raising our hand, and so on. There are different things we can do this because of our only energy, and this energy we get from food. Okay. Now the third point is it also needed for the replacement and repairing the damaged parts of body. वो हमारे किस लिए हेल्प करता है? रिप्लेस, जो हमारे डैमेज पार्ट्स होते बॉडी के उसको रिप्लेस या रिपेयर करने के लिए. ठीक है. देन फूड गिव्स अस रेजिस्टेंस टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द डिसीजेस एंड प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द इन्फेक्शन. ओके, हमें बीमारियों से, डिसीज से हेल्प करता है फाइट करने के लिए. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ फूड. दैट इज़ वाई वी नीड टू टेक it, and even not only the human beings, all living organisms need to take the food. Understood the answer of first question? Now student, what is the second question? The second question is what distinguish between the parasite and saprotrophs. So in this answer you have to write the difference points between the parasite and saprotrophs. So what are the differences between parasite and saprotrophs? There are two differences between the parasites and saprotrophs. So the first one is parasites feeds on living organism and saprotrophs feeds on dead and decaying organisms. मतलब कि पैरासाइट जो होते हैं वो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के ऊपर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को खाते हैं, एंड सैप्रोट्रोप्स किसके ऊपर फीड करते, किसको फीड करते? डेड एंड डिकेइंग, मतलब जो डेड है, मरे हुए, और डिके जो सड़ जाते उन ऑर्गेनिजम्स को वो खाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ द सेकेंड डिफरेंस पॉइंट इज parasites means the organism on which it feeds is called host. Parasites उन और जिस ऑर्गेनिजम्स के ऊपर फीड करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? होस्ट कहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? जस्ट लाइक वी हैव सीन इन चैप्टर अमरबेल द एग्जाम्पल कस्कुटा. Okay, Kaskuta is a parasite, and Kaskuta which feeds on that green tree is called host. Okay, तो पैरासाइट्स जो ऐसे ऑर्गेनिजम्स के ऊपर फीड करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? होस्ट कहते हैं. एंड सैप्रोट्रोफ्स दे डू नॉट फीड ऑन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, वो किसी भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को नहीं खाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस आर द टू डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन पैरासाइट एंड सैप्रोट्रोफ. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन? हाउ वुड यू टेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च इन लीव्स? हाउ यू कैन से दैट कि इन लीव्स स्टार्च इज प्रेजेंट? हम कैसे टेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि लीव्स के अंदर स्टार्च प्रेजेंट है? ओके, फॉर दैट देयर इज वन टेस्ट इज गिवन. सो आई विल टेल यू एंड एक्सप्लेन इट. व्हाट इज द टेस्ट? ओके, it can be tested by iodine test. The name of the test is iodine test. मतलब अगर हम आयोडीन से अगर उसको टेस्ट करते हैं तो we can easily identify that whether the leaf is present starch or not. Okay, so how we can do this? I will tell you. When we remove the chlorophyll from leaf by boiling in alcohol and then put the 2 drops of iodine solution. पहले तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है कि लीफ को बॉईल करना पड़ता है, उसमें से क्लोरोफिल को रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, एंड देन वी शुड ऐड द 2 drops of iodine solution on it. If its color will change into blue, it indicates that the leaves contains starch. अगर उस लीफ का जो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट है अगर उसमें कलर चेंज शो होता है, इफ़ इट विल चेंज इनटू ब्लू कलर, अगर ब्लू कलर हो जाता है, देन इट वी कैन से दैट द लीफ कंटेन्स स्टार्च. Understood now? So how we can say that in leaf starch is present by iodine test, and if the color will change into blue, that means we can say that in leaf starch is present. Okay, now student, what is the fourth question? Give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. Means in answer you have to write the about which process? Photosynthesis process, because green plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. So what is meant by photosynthesis process? Green plants, you know very well, green plants have chlorophyll, okay, and green plants, or you can say the leaves of the green plants, they use carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They make the food. वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करते, अपना खाना प्रोड्यूस करते. दे मेक द फूड एज अ कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड दे रिलीज ऑक्सीजन. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज photosynthesis process. All of you understood what is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means green plants make their food by using carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and they make the food as well as they release oxygen in the air. Understood now? Now the next question is of fifth. Show with the help of sketch that plants are ultimate source of food. यहाँ पे हमें एक स्केच बनाना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ आई हैव गिवन यू, एंड व्हेन यू विल ड्रॉ इट, सो यू हैव टू शो दैट कि हाउ द प्लांट्स आर अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ फूड. आपको ऐसा स्केच बनाना है जिसमें आपको ये शो करना है कि प्लांट्स क्या है. प्लांट्स आर नोन एज द ultimate source of food. You all know that plants only the autotrophs and they can make their own food. Otherwise, all other animals and even human beings also heterotrophs, because we can't make our food. हम क्या नहीं कर सकते, अपना खाना फूड सेल्फ नहीं बना सकते, इसलिए हम लोग क्या है, हेटेरोट्रॉफ्स में आते हैं. बट ओनली द प्लांट्स विच कैन मेक देयर ओन फूड, एंड देयरफॉर प्लांट्स आर नोन एज अ ultimate source of food, because all the animals, human beings, all are the directly and indirectly depends on the plant only. And you know very well plants how they make their food, by using solar energy. So you can see in the sketch, firstly you have to write the solar energy, because solar energy is used by green plants. कौन use करते हैं उसको? Green plants use करते हैं. And what they do, they make the food. Then green plants, on the green plants, which kind of animals, organisms are depends? Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Means omnivores both. Okay, so all these are they are depends on green plants, and even decomposers also. Decomposers are all they are depends on the all these organisms. Okay, so you have to draw this sketch properly in your copy. Understood now? Now the next question 6, fill in the blanks. What is the first question of fill in the blanks? Green plants are called dash since they synthesize their own food. Green plants को क्या कहा जाता है? Autotrophs. Why? Because they make their food. That's why they are known as a autotrophs. Understood? The first answer is autotrophs. What is the second question? The food synthesized by plant is stored as a starch. The answer is starch, because when the plants synthesize the food, जो food वो बनाते हैं वो as a किस फॉर्म, कौन से फॉर्म में स्टोर होता है? स्टार्च फॉर्म में. Then the third one is photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. You all know that in solar energy means photosynthesis process, the leaves present for chlorophyll. Okay. Fourth one is during photosynthesis plants take dash and release dash. क्या करते हैं बेटा? फोटोसिंथेसिस में प्लांट कौन सा गैस लेते हैं और कौन सा गैस रिलीज करते हैं? यू नो वेरी वेल, ड्यूरिंग द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट्स टेक द carbon dioxide from air and they release oxygen in the air. वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं और ऑक्सीजन को रिलीज करते हैं. So understood the fill in the blanks answer? Okay. Next question 7. Name the following. The first question is a parasitic plant with yellow slender and tubular stem. The name of this plant is Cuscuta. Understood? Second, a plant that has both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Which kind of plant shows both kind of nutrition? Insectivorous. So the answer is insectivorous plant. Now the third question is the pores through which leaves exchange the gases. Now tell me the students, we have seen in photosynthesis plants exchange the gases carbon dioxide and oxygen through which pores? The name of that pores are stomata. So the answer is third answer is stomata. Okay. Next question is take the correct answer. First, Amarbel is an example of, you have to write its answer from the four options. The first option is autotroph, second is parasite, third is saprotroph, and fourth one is host. So you know very well student, we have seen that Amarbel means Cuscuta is an example of parasite. Okay. Now the second question is the plant which traps and feeds on insect is, which plant is this student? जो insect खाते हैं वो, it's a insectivorous plant. So but we have seen its example is pitcher plant. So the option pitcher plant is its answer. Okay. Now next question is match. Question number 9, match the columns. Firstly I will read all the questions of column 1 and then I will tell you its answer which is given in the column 2. Chlorophyll, where it is present? It is present in leaf. So its answer is leaf. Okay. Now second question, nitrogen. Who takes the nitrogen from air? Bacteria. We have seen that Rhizobium bacteria converts this nitrogen into soluble form of nitrogen. So therefore the correct answer is bacteria. Now third one is Amarbel. Amarbel is, just now we have seen that Amarbel is an example of parasite. Okay. Now fourth question is animals. What they are? They are the heterotrophs. Okay. And the fifth, insects. Who eats insect? Pitcher plants. So the insect, the answer of insects is pitcher plant. Understood? Question number 10 is of true and false. Okay. So what is the first question? Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. The answer is false, because you all know that not only the oxygen is released during photosynthesis, not a carbon dioxide. Okay. Now the second question is plants which synthesize their food themselves are called saprotrophs. No, answer is false, because the plants which synthesize their food, जो plants खुद अपना food prepare करते हैं, they are known as autotrophs, not saprotrophs. Okay, उनको क्या कहा जाता है? Autotrophs कहा जाता है, ना कि saprotrophs. So therefore the answer is false. Third question is the product of photosynthesis is not a protein. Yes, the answer is true, because we have seen that in photosynthesis the plants which synthesize the food is a carbohydrate. It's not a protein. Okay, so therefore the answer is true. Now the fourth one is solar energy is converted into the chemical energy during photosynthesis. The answer is true, because in photosynthesis process solar energy which captured by the plants and then they convert into chemical energy to make the food. Understood? Now the next question 11, choose the correct option from the following. Here the question is given and for that the 4 options are given, so you have to choose the correct answer from that 4 options. Okay. The first question is which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from air for photosynthesis? You know very well, we have seen that in photosynthesis plants take carbon dioxide from the air. Okay. So on the plant, what kind of pores are present? Stomatas are present. So therefore the correct answer is second option, stomata. Okay. the stomata takes the carbon dioxide from the air in photosynthesis. And now the last question 12, again the same type of question. Here also question is given, and for the answer there are 4 options are there. So you have to choose the one option from it. Okay, correct option you have to choose it. What is the question? Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their लीव्स. जस्ट नाउ आई सेड दैट कि अभी मैंने जस्ट कहा था कि प्लांट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एटमॉस्फेयर से लेते हैं. किसके थ्रू लेते हैं? स्टोमेटा के थ्रू. मतलब जो स्टोमेटास जो प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं? लीव्स के ऊपर. सो देयरफॉर आंसर इज लीव्स. So now I think all of you have understood all the exercise and the question answers of chapter 1. Okay, so what you have to do, students? You have to complete it in your copy and learn also.